Welcome back. Today we are looking at 4 AI tools that make your life easier. Let's dive in. Number 1 is Grammarly. It fixes grammar mistakes and make your writing better, great for everyone. Number 2 is notion.ai. It helps you organize your notes, manage project and even generate content ideas. It's super versatile. Number 3 is dell-E. dell-E create cool images from text description, perfect for artists and creative. Number 4 is Replika. Lastly, Replika is an AI chatbot that chats with you and offers supports. It's like having a friend. That's it. Which AI tool do you like the best? Comment below. Like, share, and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notified. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.